Hello students, we are going to learn about the first chapter of your class, that is matter in our surroundings, and today's topic is, can matter change its state? Yes, physical state of matter can be changed by two ways. One is by increase or decrease temperature, and second one is by increase or decrease pressure. We know if we give temperature of an ice, it is converted into water, and similarly when water is given temperature, it starts boiling and converted into water vapor. If we increase temperature, what happens? Molecules of solid absorb heat energy and they start vibrating on their axis. As a result, they start moving and converted into liquid state. Actually, solid starts melting. Fusion or melting is a process in which solid convert into liquid by increasing the temperature. A melting point is that temperature at which solid convert into liquid at 1 atmospheric pressure. Say for instance, in case of ice, melting point of ice is 0 degree centigrade, that is 273 Kelvin. Similarly, if we increase temperature of a liquid, at a certain temperature it will start boiling. This certain temperature is called boiling point. Boiling point is a temperature at which liquid convert into gas at atmospheric pressure, and it start vaporization. Vaporization is a process in which liquid convert into the gas. Okay. Now, if we decrease temperature of gas or vapor, condensation starts. Condensation, it is a process in which gas or vapor convert into liquid on cooling. Actually, condensation is reverse of boiling. Similarly, if we cool a liquid, it convert into solid state. Here, freezing or solidification occurs. Solidification or freezing is a process in which liquid convert into solid state on cooling. It is a reverse of melting, Now, effect of change of pressure. By increasing or decreasing pressure, matter may change their states. If we increase pressure, the gas convert into liquid. Actually, gas can be liquefied by increasing pressure. For example, ammonia gas can be liquefied by increasing pressure and also decreasing temperature. Another example is dry ice, that is solid CO2. Generally, matter shows three states, that is solid, liquid and gas. But some matter shows only two states, that is one is solid and other is gas. They are called sublime. Example, naphthalene, camphor. Actually, they have only two states. One is solid and other is gas. Liquid state not present there. Sublimation is a process in which solid convert into gas directly. Actually, a kinetic energy of the molecules abruptly change and convert directly into gases. Okay.